Your Excellency, I have the honor to present Mr. Saad Abdullah Al-Shareef, the Ambassador of the State of Qatar to the Republic of Fiji.
Your Excellency, I have the honor to present the letter of credence which His Highness the Emir of the State of Qatar has addressed to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the State of Qatar to the Republic of Fiji. I also have the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Your Excellency, I'm so pleased to receive your credentials. Welcome you most warmly and sincerely to the Republic of Fiji and wish you a very happy and successful mission. Please convey to His Highness the Emir, the government and people of the State of Qatar our warmest wishes for their continued well-being, peace and prosperity. Master. So good to meet you, sir. Welcome to Fiji. Thank you.